like Midjourney, but free and can overlay text on images. Now, it's no longer a dream as the new neural network, Ideogram, has been launched. Unlike most free neural networks, it isn't built on stable diffusion, but stands out as an entirely original development. Its unique feature is the ability to write texts with good typography. As of today, version 0.1 has been released, so with each new update, we will see more and more interesting features. But for now, let's see what's already available to us. We are greeted by an extremely simple homepage, where all we see is a sample generation, a couple of social media links, and a login button. Upon using it, we land on the generation page, where at the bottom we can view trending images based on user ratings. The high quality of the generated images is immediately apparent, with some compositions being quite complex, from a neural network generation standpoint. We can also view the latest works, the works of authors we follow, and top images. Clicking on any generated image will lead us to its detailed page, showcasing 4 of its variations: the prompt, the author, a reference, if any, and buttons to share, download, use as a reference, like, or report. Clicking on the author will allow us to view their rating, all their generated images, and the option to follow. Now, returning to the main page, let's try generating an image, but we have several tools for this. Firstly, there's the prompt input field. Ideogram understands many languages, but not all equally well. I tested 20 languages and grouped them into 3 categories based on the image results for the prompt cat on a tree. A cat on a tree was generated: English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Norwegian, Polish. A cat was generated: Russian, Chinese, Japanese, Turkish, Swedish, Danish. Something entirely unrelated to the prompt was generated: Korean, Arabic, Greek, Ukrainian, Hindi. Secondly, while inputting, we can choose from preset styles: photo, poster, 3D render, typography, cinematic, painting, fashion, product, illustration, anime, architecture, dark fantasy, vibrant, graffiti, portrait photography, wildlife photography, conceptual art, ukiyo-e. These can be combined, or you can click on Lucky Style to have several random styles chosen for them. Thirdly, you can specify one of the 3 final image sizes: 1016, 11, or 1610. And fourthly, there's an option here to see a set reference, and if needed, remove it, but I'll show you more about that later. Let's try generating a logo for a cleaning company. I'll input the following request: logo for a cleaning company with the text Pro Cleaning, orange and black, eco-friendliness, professionalism, simple vector. I'll choose the typography style and set the size to 1.1. I'll make several generations to choose the one I like the most. By the way, all your generated items can be found in your profile. I like this style, but I want more options. I click on Remix. Now, there's a reference image below my prompt. I initiate the generation. Here, I like this logo. Now I can have it outlined or converted to vector using other neural networks. What can I say about Ideogram? It's a major breakthrough in neural illustration. It understands prompts well, showcases a very impressive generation quality, even at version 0.1, and overall leaves a very positive impression. In their Discord channel, the owners of Ideogram confirmed that they grant creators the rights for commercial use of the generated images, but in the future, I would like to see private accounts. But you can already achieve so much with this tool. And considering it's free at the moment, it's super cool. Send in your results with Ideogram and subscribe to my channel to learn about all the new developments in the world of neural networks, how to utilize them, and make them a source of your long-term and stable income.